Hey guys, so clear video on how you can reset your Canon EOS Rebel T7. So reverting the camera to default settings, what you have to do is the camera shooting function settings and menu settings can be read to the defaults. So you have to go to the menu and then you have to go to right here to the third settings. On the third tab, select clear settings under copyright information. There you're gonna have select clear all camera settings and then you just want to press OK so that you want to clear it. And that's how it's done, super simple. So first you're gonna go to menu, there you're gonna have a third tab, there you're gonna have under copyright information clear settings, and there you're gonna clear all camera settings, and that's what you want to do. So just want to make this like quick video for you on how you can do it. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. Hope you're going to have a great day, and goodbye.